Well, here I am, starting to get my pantry organized, making 2 rolls of pasta, and I'm making them change every one. That way when I walk in here, I'm not digging around looking for elbow macaroni or pasta or elbow or whatever I'm looking for. I have it where I can get it moving out just 1 or 2 items. Each one I put back in there is a different kind of pasta. Want to be able to find it easy without tearing everything up. By having lots of different kinds of pasta, it makes you feel like you're having lots of different kinds of meals, even if you're using the basic sauces on each one of these the same. It does give you a feeling of something a little different. Now, these 2 boxes right here in front are both open, and before I don't get them confused or put them and get lost, I want to finish these boxes up. So what I'm going to do now is put these 2 boxes on top of my other pasta for me to remind me to please use these up first before opening another box of pasta. Now this will remind me that both of these boxes need to be used up. That is how I'm storing my pasta in my pantry. Short video. Thank you so much. Well, now I have put my tomato sauce, and tomato paste will also go in the same area. As you can see, I do not have any ragouts as sauces, and I do not have any tomato paste. So these are things that I will have to stock up on in the next week or 2. So they'll be on our next prepping haul. But all my pasta is ready to go. And the 3 things on top are the ones I need to reuse up because they are open. This is to remind me to go there first. Just sharing how I'm getting my pantry ready for this winter, 2020 and 2021. Prepping video 2 for my pantry. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy. Short video, how I'm getting my pantry ready with my dry goods. So far, I have put 2 in. I use old ragu jars and fill them up with my dry goods. Getting everything prepared, as you can see, where you're putting our bean soup mix in here and split pea. Already have some other items in some more barley. Going to work our way through all these containers. Now have finished with all my dry goods that I have at this moment. I have enough room to put a couple more cans of ragu in here when I purchase some. So I have all my spaghetti sauce at the front of this pantry. And when I'm ready to do soups, I know where they're at. Now I'm starting a row of chicken broth and a row of cream of mushroom soup. And then I'll put another row on top of some other product. Okay, I have all of my chicken broth together in one aisle, and I have all of my cream of mushroom all together. So that way I know when I'm running out. Honestly, I think I have enough for the whole winter of cream of mushroom soup. And I can do a lot of different things with this soup for sauces. And you know, when you're having to worry about stuff, this is a great product to use. So you can see I have a lot of chicken broth now also. Ready for that too. Now I have 3 cans of pork and beans in here, big ones for 3 different meals. So we're got this pretty well set up now. I'm going to put some more soup in here still and fill everything up. I finished these rows off with a cream of chicken in this one aisle and cream of celery in the top one on this one. So when I'm ready to use them, I can find them without struggling. Here we are, another shelf, and you can see all the crackers stacked up nice and neat, and the cereal. And there are more crackers behind these for the future also.